Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California, and what you're going to see today is a test of two different swipes. One is going to be on black and white using Sherwin-Williams pillow paints, and the other is going to be using Boom Gel, all Boom Gel paints. When I use the pillow paints, I'll be using regular paints and pigments, and I'll be using my cell activator. And when I use the Boom Gel, that's all I'm going to be using is Boom Gel. Going to start here with pink tourmaline from Deco Art, and then I'm going to go on to Grenache from this little piggy. And I'm really not sure if you want to see me do all of these, take the time to do this. This is Arteza Green. Not sure. I think I'm going to speed this part up so you don't have to sit and watch me put all this paint down, because it does take quite a while to do this. This is Arteza Pearl Royal Purple. Really a beautiful color. And what I do next is I repeat these colors again. And my cell activator today is not white and it's not black. It's actually a blue iridescent from Pebeo mixed with Australian Floetrol, which comes out quite beautiful at the end. You will see that. But right now I'm going to speed everything up so you don't have to sit, and I will list every paint at the end so you get to see that. So get ready for speeding this up. After I swiped, I picked it up and I tried to get some of the pillow paint off, and with that I got out of frame, and I do apologize for that. I torched it a little bit, the Boom Gel side, and I took a picture at the end, so you will get to see that. Just let me know which side you like better, the side with the pillow paint or the side with the Boom Gel. Please subscribe. Come back tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed what you saw here today. Here's the next part. This was the first part that I did. This video is 1 minute 30 seconds, and it was the first of my videos of the day showing the difference between using pillow paints with paints and pigments or just using Boom Gel with the Boom Cell Booster. And so that's exactly what this is going to be showing, the difference between swiping with Cell Activator or swiping with Boom Gel Cell Enhancer. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is at 10 times the speed. This is the first one I did. I wasn't really thrilled with it, so I did do it over again. That's the one you saw before this. Hope you enjoyed both of them today. Have a wonderful evening or rest of your day. I hope you subscribe to my videos. I am doing one a day, and I'm keeping up with this. So be safe out there. Wait for the close-up. Here it comes in right now. And we did get beautiful cells out of all of these. Here's the paints. Please subscribe. Go to my Etsy shop. You can purchase anything there of my paintings. Have a great day. Enjoy. Bye-bye.